I'm Dr. Jeff Litt. I'm the Burn Medical Director here at Chippenham Hospital. I'm here today to discuss a little bit of the TikTok challenge that I've heard going around the social media universe. This involves Jolly Ranchers. Not having done it, I don't know the details, but it basically involves melting Jolly Ranchers and then putting them over varying fruits, freezing them, and then having them as a snack. And no, I don't think that would be considered a health food because of the fruit component. But that's not where the real danger lies. The real danger is in the melting of the Jolly Ranchers, as I guess you'd expect coming from a burn surgeon. When you melt things with sugar in them, like Jolly Ranchers, they can get anywhere upwards of 300 or 350 degrees. Now, we see lots of people who come in with scald burns, and scald burns can cause second-degree burns if it's just hot water. So something that's 300 or 350 degrees causes an almost instantaneous third-degree burn. And if it's a large enough area, it's probably going to require surgery as well as skin graft surgery, where we take skin from one part of your body and then move it onto the area of the burn once all the damaged tissue has been removed. Something that folks don't think about with the Jolly Rancher as well is that it gets incredibly sticky if it spills on you, and it's really hard to cool down and get off at that temperature. It really likes to maintain that temperature. And so the longer it's on there, the deeper and deeper the burn gets, almost like if you think of it like an acid. And so it can be very dangerous. It's something that I've taken care of a couple patients with, and they both required some advanced skin care. One of them required skin graft surgery, in fact. I'd like to encourage folks not to even do it. If you need some sort of candy-coated fruit, candied apples are reasonable. Caramel apples with chocolate chips and other things are probably pretty good too, and there's no chance whatsoever you're going to burn yourself partaking of one of those. However, if you do insist on doing so, parents, if you're watching, make sure you're supervising your children. I'd also make sure that you're wearing appropriate clothes like an apron, so that if it spills on the apron, you can get it off without burning you pretty easily. I would not be doing it wearing shorts and a tank top, for instance, where if something splashes on you, it's going to hit you. Otherwise, like I said, though, it's probably better to avoid it. My daughter tried it unbeknownst to me at one point, and I tasted one and it was terrible. So I don't see what the point is. In any case, I appreciate your attention and time. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Jeff Litt with your Jolly Rancher TikTok public service announcement.